Welcome to Crypto's Old Tan. In the dynamic world of 2024, where the saying, knowledge is power, holds more truth than ever, we find ourselves on the brink of a profound transformation. Today, we embark on a journey into the potential future of AI. Could decentralization be the key to unlocking a brighter tomorrow and escaping the shadows of an Orwellian fate? Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of Bittensor and its TAO token, a groundbreaking project that bridges blockchain technology with the boundless potential of artificial intelligence. Founded in 2019 by two AI researchers, Jacob Steves and Ala Shabana, Bittensor functions as a digital hub where machine learning models come together, much like a bustling marketplace. These learning models we're talking about are created by developers, data scientists, and researchers which choose to deploy their models onto the Bittensor network. The project utilizes blockchain technology to create a decentralized network where these models can collaborate and learn from each other. This proverbial virtual meeting place is where these models exchange valuable insights, all while earning rewards for their contribution in the form of TAO tokens. It could be argued that traditional AI frameworks struggle with scalability, privacy, centralization, transparency, and dataset management. Bittensor aims to tackle these challenges by leveraging decentralized technology such as the blockchain. Through distributed computing power, it enables faster and more effective model training while ensuring data privacy with cryptographic techniques. By decentralizing control and removing gatekeepers, Bittensor aims to promote transparency and democratizes access to AI resources. Its implementation of subnets act like sharding, similar to what we would see in a proof-of-stake consensus, with each subnet tailored to advancing a complementary and expanding chain of specialized AI functions. It's like having pieces to a puzzle, each unique but designed to connect and come together to reveal the overall macroeconomy. The TAO token operates within Bittensor's ecosystem, serving as a utility token for incentivizing the production of machine intelligence. New TAO tokens are generated through mining and validation. Delegating TAO tokens to a validator allows a participant to earn staking rewards and further fortify the network. Now, there is a max supply of 21 million TAO tokens, with roughly about 6 million currently in circulating supply. The TAO token is mined about every 12 seconds. Miners and validators are rewarded with 1 TAO per block. At the current inflation schedule, this leads to 7,200 new TAO tokens being issued into circulation every 24 hours, which is currently split evenly between miners and validators. I think with the long inflation schedule, we don't have to worry about dilution over the short term. The TAO token will experience halving events similar to Bitcoin, with the next event happening in September of 2025 and continuing every 4 years until its final halving event in 2046. TAO token is not only earned through participation within the network, but can also be bought on the open market via centralized exchanges such as KuCoin, Gate.io, MEXC, and also decentralized protocols. This open market trade has an impact on the value of the token, and it is worth looking at where it currently is trading. So what about price predictions? Well, let's put it this way. If we look at the past year's performance, we see TAO with a staggering 500% increase. When you consider the macro crypto market, these increases are no small feat, and it's clearly reflected in the CoinMarketCap chart. If you believe in the project and the idea of dollar cost averaging, sitting at all-time highs may not be as big of a risk for you. I'm not a financial professional, and I don't know your risk tolerance, but I just want to point out where the TAO token is currently sitting at the time of this video. Of course, with every crypto project, there are potential downsides to consider. One concern some may have is the absence of a Tier 1 exchange listing. While it may be a significant milestone for the progression of this project, let me ask you this. Did Bitcoin need Tier 1 exchanges to become what it is today? The organic growth of Bittensor showcases the project's potential even without the backing of big exchanges. This leads me to my next point. In order for this project to succeed, it will need further adoption. This includes an increase in developers and users building and interacting with the project. Bittensor needs to bring value to businesses and users who need the innovative tech of AI. You have to mention that Bittensor is up against some really stiff competition and gatekeeping. Google, IBM, and OpenAI, just to name a few. These companies have massive resources and power and can pose major challenges to anyone looking to disrupt or take away market share from this highly profitable and powerful emerging technology. While you may not agree, I personally don't see a future where Google will pay TAO to interact with the Bittensor network. This is not a knock on the project, it's just a reality of companies that will either replicate or better their competitors or just simply buy them out. Now, there is a world where I can see an integration with a behemoth of a company like a Google, but that would mean that Bittensor can prove to provide an immense value and be big enough, and in this case decentralized enough, to where there is no choice but to work with them versus against them. What do you think? Do you think Bittensor has a seat at the table with leaders in the AI space? Comment below and let me know. Or does it end up in obscurity like so many .coms of yesteryear? I believe there is a future for Bittensor if they pay attention to the possible pitfalls I mentioned previously. I think it is such an exciting time right now in Web3 and with the emergence of AI. I think someone needs to ensure that we bring transparency to AI and the learning models that it utilizes. Ensuring that knowledge is truthful, accurate, and accessible to all is crucial to the future of society. We cannot let private companies operate without sensible oversight that is governed by the interest of the people. We also cannot rely on outdated politicians and regulators with misinformed or uninformed biases to implement guardrails. I don't mean to offend, but if you can't operate your iPhone or email without assistance, then I believe those individuals should really pause before making pivotal decisions on the future of society and AI. Utilizing blockchain and the ability of decentralization, I think makes sense, and Bittensor may just be the next industry-leading technology to take us there. Let me know what you think. Does Bittensor have the framework and forward thinking to get us to a democratic future where the power of knowledge is held by the people and not just a select few? If you're interested in other AI projects that are trying to innovate in this space, definitely check out the video links above. Until next time, my crypto friends, thanks for watching Crypto Zoltan.